there's a question that how can we again start Peace TV Bangla in Bangladesh. I'm aware that because of the allegation laid by the Indian government more than 3 years back, Bangladesh was forced to ban Peace TV. It banned in just few countries, including Bangladesh. But what we did last year, a year back, we launched the Peace TV mobile app. You can go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or an iOS. If you have an Android, you can go to the Google and download Peace TV network app free. And even now, inshallah, thousands of people are watching this program on the Peace TV app on the mobile. You can see on the Peace TV mobile app, it's all the 4 channels available: Peace TV English, Peace TV Urdu, Peace TV Bangla, and Peace TV Chinese also. Second, just yesterday, the 1st of Ramadan, we launched our new website, www.Drzakirnaik.com. And on the website, if you go, there is a live Peace TV icon. If you click on that, it will open up into 4 channels: Peace TV English, Peace TV Bangla, Peace TV Urdu, and Peace TV Chinese. And you click on that icon, whichever language you want to listen, you can listen. One advantage that is there in this mobile app and on the Peace TV, that is Zakir Naik website, you can even go to peacetv.tv. Even there you can see it live. The advantage here is that you have got 1 week of programming kept there, that if you miss any program in the last 1 week, you can even see it, you can catch up with it, which is not available on the live Peace TV. So that's an advantage. So surely you can yet take advantage of Peace TV, or you can have a private dish. If you have a private dish, which hardly costs about 7,000, it may be 10,000 taka, it's a one-time investment, it is free to air, you put it and you can get Peace TV English, Urdu, Bangla, Chinese on that Peace TV dish, and you can watch it directly onto your television. Hope that answers the question.